The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission has confirmed the arrest of Harare Mayor Jacob Mafume, Deputy Mayor Councillor Rosemary Muronda, and former Harare South Member of Parliament Shadrack Mashayamombo on allegations of fraud linked to the illegal sale of council-owned land. Sanabena mashoko anobuda panguva ine ZVAITWA ichikonfirma the arrest of Jacob Mafume, Shadrack Mashayamombe. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. ZVAITWA said the trio is accused of participating in a scheme involving the fraudulent disposal of municipal land, while the commission has not yet disclosed full particulars of the transactions. It confirmed that the investigations are ongoing and that the suspects expected to appear in court once charges are formally laid. The arrests carried out on Tuesday have reignited scrutiny of long-running political and governance scandals stretching back nearly a decade. Although ZVAITWA has not publicly detailed the charges, the arrests come against the backdrop of Mashayamombe's controversial political history during ZANU-PF's bitter G40 Lacoste factional battles and Mafume's recent entanglement with findings of a Harare Commission of Inquiry. Mashayamombe rose to prominence during the height of the G40 faction, which was aligned to the late former President Robert Mugabe and opposed to the Lacoste faction linked to President Emerson Mnangagwa. As ZANU-PF Youth League Secretary for Administration and a close ally of the Higher Education Minister Jonathan Moyo, Mashayamombe became one of the most visible faces of the G40 political project. At the peak of the factional conflict between 2016 and 2017, Mashayamombe was accused by party rivals and critics of orchestrating violent youth mobilization, intimidating Lacoste-aligned officials, and driving aggressive propaganda campaigns aimed at blocking Mnangagwa's ascent. He publicly pledged loyalty to Mugabe just days before the November 2017 military intervention that ended Mugabe's 37-year-old rule. Though mashoko aripo pamusoro aiwa paid arrest aiwa yana Mafume nana Shadrack Mashayamombe. Pina comment section medu zafungura imo tukudi pamusoro pezvitiko izvi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.